Hey, what's good everybody? Welcome back to our YouTube channel mahagurus.com. So in this tutorial we would learn how can we fill up the cell in Microsoft Excel. So to do this I would suggest you guys to please follow each and every steps as I say. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first we have to select the cell. For example, I'm selecting this cell number E6, and after selecting just click on home, and in this editing group click on fill followed by up. So as you can see, the down cell, the bottom cell, that 9 is filled to its up that we have selected. So similarly we can just apply it with the multiple of cells, selecting multiple of cell. Like here I'm selecting from row number 2 to row number 9, and after selecting just press from your keyboard Alt, then H, then Fi and U, and it's done. So as you can see guys, the changes. So that's all for today. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.